Happy Spring Day, South Africa, and welcome to the Weather Center. Unfortunately, it's not going to feel like spring for some parts of the country. We still have wet and cold weather going on over parts of the Western and Eastern Cape provinces and thunderstorms that have moved into KwaZulu-Natal. Now, although things are starting to look up for much of the Northern Cape, it's not so for the Southern Cape provinces. We have a developing cold front which is pushing a lot of cloud into these parts of South Africa. We also have another cold front affecting KwaZulu-Natal. Now, these cold fronts are going to leave us with cloudy, wet and cold weather over the south coast, where widespread rains are forecast in places. Thunderstorms are expected over KZ and spilling into the southernmost parts of Mpumalanga. It's going to be partly cloudy with cool to mild temperatures across the western and central interior. Hot afternoon temperatures continue from Mpumalanga and parts of Limpopo. A sunnier and warmer day is forecast on Wednesday across the western and central interior. It's going to stay cloudy, wet and cold for the southern parts of the country. Rain is also forecast on Wednesday for KwaZulu-Natal, eastern Mpumalanga and southeastern Limpopo. We are expecting scattered to widespread rains across much of southern South Africa. Up to 60% chance of rain and thunderstorms is forecast for parts of KwaZulu-Natal. The chance of precipitation decreases where you see the lighter shades of blue. Strong winds are forecasted this Tuesday afternoon around Port Elizabeth and East London. Lighter winds for the central and western parts of the country. Fresh to strong northwesterlies are forecast for the eastern parts of the Free State across Gauteng and western Mpumalanga. Now, because of that, we have a watch for high fire danger wherever you see that shade of amber across the eastern areas. It's going to be cool to mild this afternoon over the western and central parts of the country, but we stay with hot temperatures across the eastern areas. Polokwane even hitting the 30-degree mark, a sizzling 33 from Bombela. Hot as well for the eastern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, but mild as we go towards Durban and Pietermaritzburg. Highs in the upper teens are forecast for Bishop, Port Elizabeth, as well as Cape Town. We are expecting overnight temperatures to drop into the single digits across much of the Northern Cape and the Free State. It's going to stay warm, however, across the easternmost parts of Limpopo, Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal. Durban will drop to 16 degrees, 12 for Port Elizabeth as well as Cape Town. We are expecting wet weather on Wednesday across the southern parts of the country, rain along the east coast, thunderstorms from Bombela and Polokwane. Then on Thursday, stormy weather sets in across the eastern interior. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your spring day.